Today I'll talk about statistics and probability, which is one of the most difficult topics to understand in maths. And I'll make it very simple for you guys. It's not difficult at all, and you'll see that in a while. This is a very basic example. And what I will like to suggest you guys is to watch this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, the FPM team, and if you like the video, of course, then subscribe it. If not, you'll still gain some knowledge. So let's start. Today I'm going to talk about the expected value denoted by EX in probability and statistics, also denoted by mu. Now you see the sign here. This is the formula for calculating the expected value of x, which is a variable. It represents possible, outcomes, a number of outcomes actually. So sigma is actually representing summation of number of outcomes into probability of the number of outcomes and possible outcomes. So a very typical example is a dice example. When you roll a dice, each side on dice has like a number like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So if you roll a dice and you get 1, so chances of that 1 will come is 1 out of 6 times, because 6 total number of outcomes. So this is how you represent the data in a table. This is what I always suggest: to read the question in probability a couple of times, grasp the basic idea of it, and then illustrate it in a table. And then you have x, which is, let's say, number on one side of dice, which is 1, then there's 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the chances of 1 coming is 1 out of 6, because it's a fair dice. You have only 6 sides, so of 2 also is 1 time out of 6 times. 3 also 1 time out of 6 times. 4, 5 similarly. Now after doing this, when you represented it, what is an advantage of that you have a very minimum chance of doing a silly error, and it's very common to do a silly error in calculation if you don't have data illustrated. So it's always good practice to follow step-by-step routine. Now, what I'll do is, now I'll start applying this formula. I'll show you how it happens. So x is 1. I multiply it. Normally you can have a dot here, or bracket means multiplication. So 1 divided by 6, as you can see. Similarly for 2, then 1 divided by 6. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing it very slowly and step by step for you guys, such that whenever you find any issue with this concept, you can easily play this video and get a step-by-step guide and understanding about this very important topic in statistics. So for 1 divided by 6, and then you've got 5 multiplied by 1 divided by 6. Similarly, you've got 6 into, again, 1 divided by 6. So now what I do, I just pull up my calculator, add all these values and their sum. So remember, sigma is sum. So the final answer is 3.5. So this is your expected value. So as you can see, no nightmares about it. It was very straightforward. Just you need to follow a step-by-step routine, and you can easily get grip of this concept in statistics. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe the channel, and I'll be coming with more videos on this topic and some other topics as well. but a little bit difficult questions will be made easier for you guys. So thank you for watching.